Welcome to this Klaviyo tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple lead magnets, organize your lists, and create flows so your subscribers get the right content at the right time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed managing multiple lead magnets, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step so it's simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Set up unique lists for each lead magnet. Create separate lists for each lead magnet, for example, a free ebook list or a printable list. Use sign-up forms to tag subscribers properly, ensuring they're added to the correct list automatically. This keeps your subscriber data organized and makes targeted campaigns easier to manage. Step 2. Create dedicated flows for each lead magnet. For each list, set up a dedicated flow, for example, free ebook follow-up flow. Include 1 to 2 emails that deliver the specific lead magnet and add extra value. Email 1, deliver the lead magnet. For example, here's your free ebook. Email 2, follow up with tips, related offers, or extra resources. This ensures every subscriber gets personalized content that matches their sign-up incentive. Step 3, feed subscribers into a generic welcome series. You want new subscribers to receive your generic welcome series, but not repeat it for existing subscribers. Create a segment. Include conditions like, someone is in any lead magnet list and has not received the welcome series. Use this segment as the trigger for your welcome series flow. This ensures smooth onboarding without sending duplicate emails. Step 4. Avoid overlapping flows. To prevent subscribers from receiving multiple flows at the same time, use the has not been in X flow condition when setting up triggers. Example, if someone is in the free ebook flow, exclude them from the printable flow. This keeps your communication organized and avoids overwhelming your subscribers. And that's it. By setting up unique lists, dedicated flows, and a smart welcome series, you can personalize your email marketing and keep your subscribers engaged. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and explore our channel for more Klaviyo tips and tutorials.